Hey everyone, this is the watch list video for Tuesday, July 16th. We start with the Daily SPY like I always do, and a pretty uneventful day, small gap up. Didn't have a lot of range, a lot of volume, and closed about where it opened. We see that a lot during the summer. Let me slide this over for new faces in the chat room. Please pause the video and read that. Good quick description of what we're all about. I also want to encourage new faces, and I post the links all the time in the chat room too. Check out our free webinars. I mean, it really help you get up to speed. I see sometimes a new face is absolutely lost with some of the terminology, but if you spend a weekend watching our free webinars, you'll probably be a big contributor in the chat room the following week. So I can't emphasize that enough. Real quick, let's go to IVP. And it was on the watch list just because it's super strong. And I'll just go to 5-minute candle, so I won't really go into the setup here. But Terrence in chat gave the 1150 idea, which was in the first 5 or 10 minutes, something like that. I'm trying to put the cursor right there. 1150 idea, and it popped and then got the halt. It broke Friday's high, then got the halt, and then went all the way to 1482. Another amazing post by Terrence. He's super good at that. I'll just mention UPST. Somewhere around 29.51-ish was my idea. It was a 15s buy zone, but you guys know what that means. If you don't, watch the webinars. We got a pullback webinar that would explain that, which was right in this area, though, and it went up nicely from there and really kind of caught the bottom. So love those buy zone plays. So those just a couple of highlights from today. I am keeping it short and sweet. It's been a crazy weekend. So let me go into what we're watching for Tuesday. DATS, big gap up, closed below its open, but you kind of put the horizontal line there at the highs, and over today's high, it's kind of a breakout, right? So with that volume, I do want to watch it. RUM, which is Rumble, RUM, closed at 717. Nice volume, could have a follow through day, tomorrow. It's JD Vance related from what I'm understanding from social media. AMIX. I mean, I know what Rumble is, but I'm saying that the reason for the pop today, apparently, he was nominated to be vice president on the Republican side, and apparently he's got a big stake in Rumble. Again, I got that off social media. I can't verify it for sure, but that's what popped it. All right. Massive volume in AMIX, closing about the middle of its range, though, but it goes on a chart for tomorrow. TOYO has only been trading for 8 or 9 days. Had a nice gap up on Friday. Held up pretty well today. So we're going to watch that one. LPA, again, big pop on Friday. Kind of a quiet inside day today. So we're going to watch that one as well. CMND. Trying to break out here pretty close. I'll put the horizontal line again. Pretty close to breakout spot. So we'll watch that one. SOUN. Really nice kind of 3-day move, and you got to pull back on lower volume, so that one I'm just going to keep it on watch because it's a recently in play stock, and I think had some good news the other day. ANVS seems to have found support around 12 bucks. Put in a green candle today, so I'm just putting it right back on the watch list for tomorrow. CYN, yeah, I should have been in this one. I mentioned it when it was probably somewhere around 680. I said, hey, everyone needs to put this on a chart. The daily chart is shaping up, and then it absolutely ripped, and I didn't get involved. But nice move today. We're going to watch it tomorrow. MARA or any other Bitcoin-related play. Nice breakout. Put the horizontal line there. Nice breakout today, so maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. I'm not a huge fan of trading the Bitcoin-related stocks, but anyway. KZIA had a massive move. And now you got 2 days lower on declining volume, so I'm treating that like I always treat bounce watches, and we'll see if we get a setup. And then lastly, WNW, which in after hours is trading at $1.27. So if it's still gapping in the morning, we'll put it on the gap playlist. We'll also add other gappers in the pre-market together as well. And I'll see you guys. Speaking of pre-market, I'll see you all then. Have a great night.